Hello and welcome to Hypebeast News. Myself, Kanksha Gangapuram. Earlier this month, messaging platform WhatsApp amended its privacy policy, asking its users to accept new conditions that will allow the Facebook-owned entity to share their information with its family of companies. Shrug of calls by Indian users of the app to migrate to other, more secure messaging apps. According to reporters, India is WhatsApp's biggest market with an estimated 4 million users. Signal, an open source encrypted app, has emerged one of the most preferred alternatives to WhatsApp. Signal also seems to have noticed the exponential interest from India, making it to the top of the chart among free apps on Apple App Store. In order to achieve his goals, the user proposed sending out of the following messages widely. None of the claims in the post is true. Signal is developed by Signal Foundation, founded by American entrepreneur Moxie Marlin Spike and Brian Acton. NASA and UNSCO did not give any award to it, and Signal certainly did not use Sanskrit code. Further, the post was entitled ULPT. WhatsApp forwards all the unskilled to download Signal. ULPT in Reddit speak means an unethical life pro tip. Some Reddit users recognized and satired and laughed it off, but others went a step further and said they circulated the text on their WhatsApp family groups. One of the users even translated original into Hindi for further dissemination. It's dishonest as hell, but it is good for cause, another wrote. Reddit has since removed the post, critiquing concern over misinformation, but earlier today, author and journalist Meghanand shared on Twitter a screenshot of text he had received on WhatsApp. While Meghanand was in on the joke, it's likely that some unkills have fallen for it. At the time of publishing this story, Signal still remains on the top of the Apple Store list. Thank you for watching.